What's up guys, this is Rani. Welcome back to our channel Total Technology. This is tutorial 55 and today's topic will be how to merge a relationship between existing node. When I say existing node, one node will be the existing and another node will be derived from the existing node using some of the property. So let's say you have a node, existing node A, and now you are going to create one relationship B, and that relationship will be applied between node A and node C, and C node is not there, so merge clause will be going to create the relationship, the node and the merge, the node and the relationship. So here what is going to happen, you have one existing relationship. When you will apply the merge clause, it will go on and create the new node and will apply the new relationship. Okay, and the new node will get some property derived from the existing node. Okay, so I'll explain this thing, then will be easier to understand. So first let me create one node, create let's say A person name Ronnie. Okay, now we'll start using the merge. Well, I think you can just thinking how to do it. Let's try. Okay, let me delete this thing first. Let me just give some another example. Okay, and let's say iPhone. Okay, okay, now we'll merge this thing. So first thing first we'll use match. Okay, well, I did a mistake, but it's fine. Use this match. Okay, and then we'll apply merge. Now merge, let's A B has phone, like there will be new node like C, and the name is, let's say, phone, and there will be one more property. Name of the phone is, name is going to be, let's say, A dot phone. Okay, now we'll return everything. A dot name and C dot name. Okay, so let's check this thing first. Okay, so what is happening here? So it is going and match this thing, and it is there. So now it will come here and try to create this relationship, and it will found that this is not available, so it will go in and create this node. While creating this node, it is actually deriving some property from the existing node A. What is A dot phone means iPhone, so C will be having the label phone and one property called name, and that value will be again iPhone. So ultimately the relationship is that A has phone, iPhone means Ronnie has a phone of iPhone. Okay, so it's like that. So if you run this thing, it is like that, A name, C name, and if you run this graph also, you can easily understand return in. So this is how it is. So this is how it is, just because here it is See, Ronnie has a phone, iPhone. So this is very simple, guys. I hope you guys understand the concept of creating multiple, or like here we just saw how to create single relationship derive from the existing node. So before creating the relationship you need to have this node, so it is also possible to create that using merge class. So that is also clear, and you can derive some existing properties while creating the new node. So this is also clear, guys. So what I'll do, I'll try to delete everything now. Well, so we need to use detach. Now we will create this property, but no, I'll not use this thing. Okay, so let's check what is there now, cause now I'm gonna use the same thing from Python. So return in. Okay, so this is how it is. Okay, so what will happen now? So we'll take this thing here, we'll use it here, and we will remove this thing, and let's see a dot name Ronnie, c dot node phone iPhone. So whatever happened with this console, the same thing is happening from Python, which is expected, nothing rocket science behind that. So I'm just doing it, I'm just again repeating the same thing again if someone is watching this video for the first time. So for them it will be kind of surprising why I'm doing this, doing the same thing from CYPHER console and Neo4j console, and as well as from the Python IDE, just because, guys, our ultimate objective is to create one artificial intelligence driven or AI driven application using Watson APIs, and I'm actually working on it, but still few parts are pending. But in parallel I'll also gonna use Neo4j as a backend database, because it can give you like rich kind of things for what do you say, kind of create some sort of intelligent logic. So that is why I'm using Python, just to make sure that you guys understand the Python concept, or else that time also I need to teach you guys how to use CYPHER query using Python. So that's all, guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye. And before moving forward, I think I should update this thing here. Okay, new node and relationship will be created if match found. Okay, and here what will happen, let's check the same thing. So I just copy paste this thing from here and I'll put it. So for this topic, slides are not that much important, codes are important and concepts are important, but again, if someone is looking for some sort of reference or slide, then definitely it will make sense to create these slides and codes. So don't worry, guys, I'll definitely upload those things. So that's all, guys, that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye. Keep subscribing to our channel, keep supporting us. This will definitely help us to create better contents and reach towards like larger audience base. So that's all, guys, hope to see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and have a nice weekend.